Now here's meteorologist Pete Nangioni with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, a beautiful end to the work week. Unfortunately, the weekend does not start out great. We'll talk about that in just a second. First, though, a look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12. You can see no precipitation, so I want to take you in closer to the URI campus in Kingston. Here's a breakdown of your Summer Games Special Olympics forecast. Now, tonight is the opening ceremony, and 7:30 p.m., 66 degrees, partly cloudy, looking very, very nice, very pleasant outside with the low humidity. It's later on tonight, probably not actually until the wee hours of tomorrow morning where the chance of some showers moves on through. Of course, we do have the Summer Games going on all weekend here, and hopefully we can squeeze out a few rain-free windows tomorrow, but there will be some downpours and a chance of some thunderstorms, so certainly some rain will fall. Sunday does look a whole lot better in the weather department. In the meantime, we're looking pretty good outside. We have the blue skies in Providence. Temperature is 70. Winds are out of that cooler direction, that being the east, at 10 miles an hour. Currently 68 Tiverton, 70 Attleboro, 70 in Woonsocket, 72 North Kingstown, and Charlestown at 71 degrees. Notice we have the dry skies overhead. You can see that clearly over southern New England. A few clouds creeping across Connecticut may coat our skies a little bit later on this afternoon, but all in all, the sunshine wins out. It's this stuff that we're watching for tomorrow. In fact, we can track that going hour by hour with our Futurecast. Just keep your eye on the clock right here. Now, because there is not a whole lot going on today, I'm going to fast forward through today, kind of like the fast forward button on a TiVo or the VCR. 10:30 this evening, we're still dry, so keep that in mind if you have evening plans. And then say between about 4 and 5 o'clock in the morning, the showers start to move in from west to east. At first fairly light, then we could squeeze in some downpours between about 8, 11, maybe noontime tomorrow, represented here by the yellow. Now, I am expecting a few gaps in the heavy rain throughout the afternoon, but notice it doesn't completely go away, so still some showers, downpours, maybe a thunderstorm possible all the way through the early evening. You can see this is around 5 o'clock. And then as we go into Sunday, still the chance of an afternoon shower or sprinkle, but I do think most of your Sunday should be rain-free, certainly better than Saturday. For this afternoon, temperatures in the low to mid-70s, just a beautiful afternoon. 73 at 1 o'clock, 3 p.m., a few extra clouds here, temperature of 74, and 5 p.m. we're at 71 degrees. Coastal temperatures this afternoon in the low 70s, perhaps falling into the upper 60s as these winds start to turn in from the southeast. Right now they're from the east and northeast, but I do expect that wind shift to occur at least slightly. And then 74 degrees in Coventry. So we go inland, I think low to mid-70s, the general rule. 73 in Burrillville, 75 Foster, Situate 74 degrees, and Johnston at 74. And for eastern Massachusetts, temperatures also in the mid-70s inland, 75 Taunton, 72 Fall River, Middletown at 70. A nice day at the beach, temperatures holding in the upper 60s to around 70, safe sun time around 15 minutes. And on the water, winds will be a little breezy this afternoon, but within the protected waters of Narragansett Bay, waves should be relatively small. So in that 7-day Futurecast, you could see the worst of the next 2 days would be tomorrow, but on Sunday, still the threat of a shower. I think a lot of the day is rain-free. I'm going with high temperatures in the low to mid-70s. Monday, cool, unsettled, showers likely, and then Tuesday and Wednesday, still unsettled with a chance of some showers, highs only in the upper 60s. Hopefully we can break out of that unsettled pattern by Thursday with partly cloudy skies and a high of 72. So kind of an up and down weekend. Of course, you can track all of the weather with our apps. We have apps for your iPhone, your Android phone, and you can get those over on iTunes. So just something to keep in mind. There will be some periods of heavy rain throughout the day tomorrow.
All right, thank you, Pete. Have a great weekend.